Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're making something really special, a healthy, protein-rich, vegetarian Persian dish that's incredibly easy to make. And the best part? You can make a batch, keep it in the fridge, and enjoy it throughout the week. Pretty convenient, right? All right, let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our fresh herbs. For this recipe, I'm using cilantro, leeks, dill, and green onions. Now this is important, chop the herbs really finely. You want all those beautiful flavors to come together in every bite. Look at that. So fresh and so colorful. Transfer all the chopped herbs into a large bowl. And now we can start adding the rest of our ingredients. First, crack in a few eggs. The eggs are going to bring everything together and help give our herb mixture that beautiful, tender texture. Now for the seasoning, a little salt, some red pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of turmeric. Give everything a good mix, just until it's nicely combined. Now, let's make it even better. Add some chopped walnuts. They give the dish this lovely little crunch and a really nice, rich flavor. Then add a little flour, just enough to help everything hold together. And finally, my favorite little addition, barberries. Those beautiful little berries add a touch of sweetness, a little tanginess, and they work so well with the herbs and walnuts. Honestly, this combination is hard to beat. Now mix everything really well. Make sure the eggs and seasonings are evenly distributed and everything is nicely coated. Perfect. Now it's time to cook. Heat a little oil in a frying pan over medium-low heat. Once the oil is hot, pour the mixture right in. Then use the back of a spoon and gently spread it out. You want it to be nice and even, almost like a thick, savory cake. Now, here's the important part. Don't turn the heat up too high. Let it cook slowly, nice and gently. That way, the bottom becomes beautifully golden, while the inside has enough time to cook through. And now, look at that. That's exactly what we're looking for. Beautifully golden underneath, and the whole thing is holding together nicely. This is such a simple dish, but it's packed with flavor. It's nutritious, it's filling, and it's absolutely perfect for meal prep. Serve it warm with some fresh bread, or enjoy it cold. It's delicious either way. I really hope you give this Persian herb dish a try, and if you do, let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for cooking with me, and as always, enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next recipe.